What is up, guys? So now that I have my car back, watching my WX channel and all those guys, they clean their car a lot and it's always clean. So I'm gonna try for a while. I got some new stuff. My car is filthy once again. Is to keep it clean. It's no longer garage kept. Currently trying to clean out the garage again so I can leave it here and leave it in the garage. As you can see, it just gets dropped on by all this stuff, and this stuff is disgusting and filthy. So we went ahead I went ahead and upped my arsenal again. I got some new stuff. I'll show you guys in what I have that came in the mail. I got 2 buckets, so I can do the 2-bucket method now instead of like some cheap AutoZone bucket. And I have these 2 new products that are raved about on Subaru Detailing, the Facebook club, and all the videos that I've watched and all the people on the forums love this stuff, so I'm excited to test it out. But we'll go ahead and kind of show you what I got. A lot of it is repeat stuff and then the new stuff and how it works. But let me get the stuff from inside and start from there. So what we got are 2 grit guards. This stuff is the magic people talk about, which is like the best wax sealant kind of deal you can do. C2v3. It's supposed to be like the best thing on the market, like no more waxing of the car and stuff like that. Replaces like Chemical Guy's jet seal and all that jazz. We got some of these spray bottles because you always need some, but mainly for this, the Optimum No Rinse, or ONR as people call it. Supposedly this is like the ultimate quick detailer, and you dilute this with water, so 1 ounce per every 2 gallons of water, so this thing will last you forever. This has an insane amount of reviews on Amazon, and so does this. And then always just Chemical Guy's Honeydew. I've never had any other shampoo that foams as much as this, and this also smells great, and 1 gallon lasts you forever. So I think in total I paid $100 for this stuff on Amazon. I will put the links down below, but let's go ahead and wash the car.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me.
Alright, so take your mitt, dunk it in there. Go ahead, start scrubbing it down. I like to do 1 side per panel and then switch. So half the roof with 1 side, half the roof with the other side, and then go ahead and dunk it back in. And honestly, I don't care too much because this is wrapped. Alright, then go back into your rinse, squeeze it out, and repeat. So what I think I will do is, because this is a good tip, is if your car is in the shade, it's not too hot out, take your clay while there's still soap on the car and go ahead and just clay it. Right now, instead of using clay lubricant, and that's just a waste of money, the soap will do perfectly fine as a lubrication for your clay. So take your clay, dip it in some water, the soapy water, just to help get it going. I already did my hood the other day, so I'll start with these body panels. All you do is wipe, wipe, wipe. As you can see, there's some contamination right there, or hopefully you can see. Just work it on out. Just repeat this entire process for the entire car. So we washed it, clayed it, now we gotta dry it, prep it for some polish, and then we'll put on the C2v3 and call it good. So for polish, I'm just going to use the Chemical Guys polish. I'm going to do it all by hand today with this pad. I don't have the dual action polisher with me. It's in Santa Barbara with Declan. So we're just going to go nice and slow, nice and easy all over this area. Avoid contact with the big patches of this stuff. 4 to 5 drops on here. Do a section at a time and then buff it off. Let's give it a go. So I did a coat of jet seal on this wing, let it sit for 20 minutes, and now I'm buffing it off. But I finished claying, I finished claying and polishing the car. She's looking clean and she's kind of getting that mirror finish almost. I don't know if you guys can see. But she's shiny, and the tree's already dropping shit on here again. We are back. It's been a couple days, reason being because Amazon actually shipped me the wrong package. It wasn't C2v3, it was panel wipe. So I had to return that and get something new. So we have the correct thing now. And I gotta just blow off some of these leaves. And then we'll go ahead and put on this magic, the G-Tech C2v3 liquid crystal. So this stuff is supposed to be the tits, so we'll put it on. I'll show you guys a demonstration later. Finished doing the C2v3 all over. I'm gonna get this for Instagram too. Go ahead, turn the water on, and you should see it just sheets right off. Look at that. I didn't do this fender. Thank you for joining me, guys. See you guys in the next one. Never gets old. That's a cold start. Never gets old. Next up, after I do the C2v3, is definitely clean this interior up. See you guys later.